Hey folks, Rob here, and just a short intro of this video. Me and John finally got to go to the rifle range yesterday, and with the intent of recording quite a bit of footage. But for some reason, my phone kept kicking off. I would push the record button, and I'd go back after doing a clip, and then it would be turned off. So I don't know what was going on with my phone and my recording, but I did manage to get some clips, and I'm just going to piece them together. And if you watch to the end of the video, you'll get to see a couple targets from both the 350 Legend and the AR pistol. So sorry there couldn't have been more footage. I don't know what happened with my phone. So hope you enjoy what I do have, and watch to the end and you'll get to see some of the groups. So thanks for watching. Okay folks, it's Rob here, and me and John have finally made it to the range. He's going down to set up some targets. You lost your target? I have brought with me the 350 Legend. We're going to be zeroing that in today. And I have also brought the AR pistol. We're going to be zeroing that in today. And I have a few other handguns that I'm going to be shooting today. We are here at the Clear Creek shooting range in eastern Kentucky. It has 5 benches and it is covered, so it's supposed to be a nice day today. It's a Wednesday. So when we got down here, it was a absolute wreck. People been throwing their trash down. Me and John spent the first few minutes cleaning the range up, trying to pick up other people's trash. I got my first target set up there at 25, and John's also set one at 25. And he is going down to the 200 to set up some targets. He's going to be shooting. He has a little Savage precision rifle here. He was telling me he just bought this vintage Japan Tasco scope to put on it. A target scope. So he's going to be zeroing that in today. He has over there, looks like his Glock. I think that is the 22 caliber Glock. It kind of looks like it. It could be a Gen 5. I'm not going to pick it up because it could be hot. So he's brought his Glock, and he has some other firearms here. Probably his 338 Lapua and some other. So anyway, we're still getting the process of getting set up, and we're here by ourselves today, so maybe get to do a little videoing, and we'll bring you along. Okay guys, I got us 3 rounds of the Winchester 180 grain loaded up here, and I'm just going to take my first shot there at 25 yards. And if I remember correctly, I think I bore sighted this, but it was for a short distance. So we're going to see if I can even hit that paper down there. So this will be the first attempt at sighting this rifle in. Are we hot?
Hot?
I'm hot. Do you see where I hit?
No, but hang on, I'll look.
I think I hit high.
You hit high and to the right.
High right.
Yeah, about 1 inch right and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 inches high.
Okay. Will you come here and turn the crosshairs?
Huh?
Will you come here and turn the scope?
Yep.
Go up first.
Up first.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
You're out.
I'm out.
Nope, nope.
Up, stop. Go down. There.
Right there.
Now go right.
Go right.
Yeah. There.
There.
Yep. That should be close. Okay,
Right.
so we've adjusted the
I'm watching.
crosshairs to the first shot. So I went a little higher than the first shot. I actually went to the top of the paper, so we'll be a little low. So I should be about an inch to inch and a half low at 25 this next shot.
Yeah, you're right at 2 inches low and to the left.
Now I'm to the left.
Yeah.
How far left? About a half inch?
An inch. Exactly, an inch. Is that quarter inch in click?
Of course, that could be me.
Well, shoot again.
Could be me pulling, you know.
Well, yeah. That probably don't have a real hair trigger on it, does it?
No. It just got a standard GI trigger.
Let's see where this next shot hits. Same hole.
So
So you need to come to the right.
so we went a little too far right.
You need to go to the right. Let's see, that's a quarter inch click
Yeah.
at 100, 1/8 inch,
Yeah, quarter inch.
16. So you need to go to the right about 10 clicks.
Which way was it right?
Huh?
Which way was right?
Which way is right?
Yeah.
It's always the same way.
I didn't see the mark.
Back this way.
So 10 clicks.
Yeah, about 10 clicks.
That scope's got good positive clicks, don't it?
Huh?
It's got good positive clicks.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of them don't. They're kind of spongy. That's a CV Life 2.5 to 10 power. Got the laser and the illuminated reticle and all that stuff that I'll never use, but it's there. So the second two shots basically went through the same hole.
Yeah.
All right, so John, we got to get a shot of his hat. Turn your head down a little bit. There we go. That's John's newest hat there. So we can't disagree with that hat for sure. So he's going to be sighting in this Savage, what is that?
B22 Precision.
B22 Precision. Yes, we are recording. So, what power is that scope?
8 to 32.
Ooh, that's
by 44.
8 by 32. And you say that's a vintage Japan one, huh?
Yep.
That's a nice scope.
We're going hot.
We're hot. Where'd you hit?
That shot was about a half inch high and an inch and a half to the right.
You want me to try turning your crosshair?
No, I want to shoot again. That was my
your cold shot.
warm up shot. pretty much same place.
What ammo you shoot?
Uh,
Normatec?
Norma TAC 22.
Yeah, I didn't get the best accuracy out of that.
Oh well, it's not the best. I've got better over there in the bag.
I got some Federal Auto Match if you want to get the best out of it.
No, that won't get the best out of it.
It may not even shoot. Half of them are duds. So putting them through the same hole?
No, not yet. It won't with this ammo. You look,
Is that just warm-up ammo?
that's warm up 5 shots. Look, I know it's just 25 and it's not real good, but it'll get better when I shoot other ammo in it.
You look through it there. I'll check out this scope. If I can figure out how to look through my left eye.
It's at top left hand target.
Yeah, you're a little bit right.
A little bit
Grouping
high.
pretty good. Not
High.
too much high.
It's not too bad for
Man, that has got a fine.
Appalachian bore sighting.
That has got a fine crosshair.
Yeah,
Fine crosshair.
real fine.
That's not gonna cover your target.
And that's just on 20 power.
Yeah, so it's got quite a bit to go.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll adjust.
You want me to try to turn your crosshairs for you? You can hold it steady.
You can if you want.
Which way you need to go, right?
Yeah.
Just say when.
Go ahead. That's 8 click, so you're gonna have to go a long way.
Oh.
Okay.
Too far?
Now go up a little bit. Now you're going down.
It says up.
Yeah, but it'll be you'll have to go opposite.
Okay.
Whoa.
Now, is that the standard stock that comes in, or is that an aftermarket?
What's that?
That stock that gun's in.
No, it comes in that.
MDT.
I've got it all over the place.
They all look to me to be right there in that little area. I mean, you ain't too far off, no more than an inch or so.
Good ammo out here in a minute.
All right, folks, I got my target set up down there at 100. We're shooting about an inch or so low at 25, so we're gonna see what we do at 100 out there. So I'm still shooting the Winchester 180 gray. So let me get us set up here, and we'll take 3 rounds down there with the 100 yard. Okay, folks, this is going to be the first shots through the AR pistol, the little bastard build. So got some Tula 55 grain. We're just gonna be sighting it in with this little mid-10 red dot. So first shot. See where I hit? Okay, folks, here's a look at the target, and we just use this one target to sight in. So if you watch the video, what we done is I put my first shot right here, and John moved the crosshairs while I held this point of impact as best I could. He moved the crosshairs to here. Well, for some reason we miscalculated, and the second shot actually landed over there, with my point of aim being here. So we made a few more adjustments, and this group, this was at 25 yards. These were my third shots right here. They put them all through two of them through the same hole. And then we made some more adjustments, went a little too far, and then our last adjustment was, well, not our last, but we adjusted here and we adjusted here. And so finally we decided to move back. Once we got this shot here, we felt like we were pretty close, so we moved the target back to 100 yards. And there is the 100-yard group with the Winchester 180 grain. That's using the Winchester ammo, and as you can see there, from center to center, that measures about an inch and a quarter, maybe slightly over. Yeah, more like an inch and it's slightly over a quarter. Right here would be the quarter mark. So about an inch and a quarter at 100 yards, and I was tickled with that. After that, we did stretch on out there. I didn't get any footage of it because my phone kept kicking off, but I was able to hit milk jugs filled with water easily at 200 yards with the same sighting. So that was my target with the Winchester 180 grain. That was the sight in. So I feel like we've got that pretty good all the way out to 200. And then I shot the AR pistol, the little 223, and my first group I shot was here, and we adjusted. Second group was here, and then we adjusted, and the third 3-shot group is right here. Now these were all done at and this was Tula 55 grain, and this was 25 yards. So that was the 223 pistol. I had the little red dot on it. The sun was glaring in my face. I couldn't really, so we did stretch it on out and take some shots at longer ranges. I was able to connect out to 100 yards easily. So that's the little 223 little bastard build, and it is about an inch, inch and an eighth maybe. Yeah, probably about an inch and an eighth. If you go center to center, about an inch and an eighth group. So Not bad for a 10.5-inch barrel AR. So anyway, guys, like I said, the camera kept cutting off on me. I didn't get a lot of video. John shot his 338 Lapua. He had his Savage Precision 308. We shot it some. I shot the Browning Buckmark, the Taurus TX22, Ruger Wrangler, the Savage Precision 22, the little John's 22. So we shot several guns, but unfortunately the camera was not cooperative. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Until the next video, we'll see you later.